Hello, I'm Matthew Bullock and I'm the Technical Director of your business group, and today we're going to show you all the digital services that we build for your cleaning business. So let's get on with it. The first thing we do is we build a logo for you. We have a little sit down video call with you at the start once you do the initial purchase, and we go through color schemes and some designs and obviously the name of the business and that type of thing, and then we build a few logos for you which hopefully you can choose. You can bring your own to the table, that's not a problem at all. We won't be offended, but we do design that for you, so it makes the job a little bit easier. Then obviously that moves on to the domain name, which we purchase for you for the first 12 months, and we set that up for you. And then on top of the domain, we then build a website. Now, obviously with the colors that we've already discussed and the logo, we try and marriage these together so the website looks and feels the same as your logo. It's a strange thing to say, but if you take a look at that at the left hand corner there, that's the logo they've got top left, and then we've obviously taken that color and then put it embedded it into the actual website itself. So the main core color of the website is red because their logo is red. But we build the whole website for you. It's hosted and it's updated. Any problems you want to change, you can do that. We build it within the first few weeks. Then it's handed over to you so you can have a look at it, and we can change stuff, change pictures, images, text, whatever you want. Very flexible. We try to work with you. We obviously advise you because we've done this a lot, so we do advise you, but at the end of the day it's your business, and if you do want to change things to how you work, then we can do that. We then set the email up. It's a weird one to say, but it is. You'd be surprised how many people actually suffer from not being able to set up their emails. We build that for you. We set up the emails that you want. So if you want an office one or an info at your domain or your name, it's perfectly fine. We can set that up for you. You can then use a webmail to access the email, or then we can give you the instructions to load it onto your laptop or your phone, or all of them, or a tablet, so you can actually use your email on those devices. We set up MailChimp. If you don't know what MailChimp is started its life as a bulk emailer. It's now moved along a little bit into a CRM system, but we build this for you with templates, and the idea is every time you get a quote or a booking, it goes into the MailChimp's contact information sheet, and it will then fire off an email to say, hi there, we're so and so cleaners, and we can clean your house for you. You can run special offers and send that out to you as well. It's a really, really important piece of software that I've used for years in my businesses and other businesses I've set up. Very successful, and it's a great way to stay connected with your customers. And for customers who have only inquired, we have people who have been on our MailChimp list for years, and we just do a weekly blog that we send out of our MailChimp, and they'll suddenly come back to us. We've never spoke to them, and they've been on the list for 2-3 years, and then suddenly buy something from us. So MailChimp is very important. Again, all the services that we're going to show you, there is a full knowledge base, and we do run through everything with you when you have the handover, but the knowledge base, which I'll talk about in a moment, is vitally important to you. We then integrate Stripe. We use Stripe as a payment system because it's very easy to use, and it's very simple, and it's cost effective. The charges are very low, depending on which country you are in, but they are very good. They're better than PayPal, and we integrate Stripe into the booking system, the CRM system of your website, so when people make a booking, they go onto Stripe and then pay the money, and off they go, and it goes into your bank within a couple of days. So Stripe is all set up for you. You do initially have to set it up yourself because of security, because this is obviously it's a financial device, so you do have to set it up, but then you just hand over some codes and we embed them into the website. You also get a mobile phone app, which is basically an extension of the website. This allows cleaners to log in, it allows your customers to log in, they can also get quotes, and they can make bookings all from the mobile phone app. As I say, it's a virtual replica of what the website is, but it's very useful, stays in your customer's pocket, and you can send push notifications out to them as well if you've got special offers. Very good. Booking and CRM system. This is the heart of your business. This is integrated into the phone app, into the website. People come along, get a quote on the website, then it's pushed over to the booking system, and then they fill out these extra details. This is a customer-facing document you're looking at here, and they can put all their details in. Depends how you structured it and how you've built it up. They can have one-time cleaning, weekly cleaning, monthly cleaning, and they get a little discount on that as well. So it's all done for you automatically. They make the booking, goes to Stripe, takes the money, puts the money in your bank account. Then you just have to do is allocate the cleaner to the job. That's all you have to do. We also set up a VoIP telephone system. Now, VoIP is a voice over internet protocol. Basically, it's Skype. We do use Skype, depending which countries you're in. Skype is very good. We purchase a number for you, and that number then can be just sent out to all your customers and advertising. It's on the website. People can ring that, and it doesn't matter where you are. If you're on laptop, mobile phone, or a tablet, if you've got the Skype app built onto any of those, it'll ring and you can just answer it. Also, if you are thinking about using a virtual assistant, a VA, which we can talk to you about as well, they can get full access to this and they can answer all your calls for you as well. Depends how deep you want to get into it and how much work you want to do. We also set up and run adverts for cleaners. These are mainly run on Facebook and also Facebook Jobs. But if you do have, because we don't know the world, we do know most of it, but not every inch of it. If you do have a local newspaper or magazine that runs free advertisements for jobs, let us know, and we can give you the advert copy to put onto there, or we can put it on for you as well. So you are obviously the person on the ground in the area that you're covering. So if you do know some extra bits and pieces, brilliant, we can help you with them. We also run customer adverts. These are on Facebook and Google. We've just started doing Google. It is a fantastic way of doing it. We've brought somebody into the team who now looks after the Google adverts because it's very specific. And I don't know if anybody has ever tried to do a Google advert. Wow, it just blows your mind because there's so many different things you can do, and most people get it wrong and just lose so much money on it. But we run Facebook and Google adverts for you to get the customers in. Social media is obviously massive. We own our own social media management software that you have full access to. All your pages that we create for you on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram will be attached to the software. You can then post across all those platforms all in one go. And also, for the first 3 months, we do all the posting for you. You can extend that after the 3 months if you want to. But for the first 3 months, we do, because you've got everything else to sort out, we actually do the posting for you. So we send out content which is relatable to people who are interested in cleaning and homes and houses and that type of thing, and household chores. And we give them tips and on running your house. So that content goes out there for 3 months, and also obviously your videos and your adverts go out across there as well. We do also real world marketing, which people go, what's that? Well, it's flyers. We print 10,000 flyers for you and get them delivered to you, and then you just distribute them out into your local area. They are invaluable to this type of business because people stick them up on their fridges, they'll put them on the telephone, they'll leave them there, and most of the time people will actually will pick these up weeks after they've been delivered, because people will say, oh yeah, I will get a cleaner, and then stick it up on their fridge, and then they forget about it and then come back round to it. So 10,000 flyers are delivered to you for your local vicinity to be distributed. Location and competition analysis, big words, but really what that is we look at your location that you want to work in, and we see what everybody else is doing, see how much they charge, and we work out the pricing schemes comparable to everybody else. So don't be worried about those big words, because they're not. Very easy. SEO and keywords, this is important. We build all this into your website and also into any social media that goes out there using keywords. We have a whole team that does all this for us. This is all integrated into the website. It's updated all the time, and in essence it is free advertising. It's not fast advertising. SEO and keyword is a long game, because once you get your website tuned and the posts are going out or using the correct keywords, slowly Google will spider them, and then slowly you'll get pushed up onto the front page of Google. So it's important, but it's not something which is instant advertising. Always remember that. And that's it. That's all the services we do for you. It sounds I don't know if it sounded complicated to you or if it didn't. We have got a massive knowledge base that you get access to, which gives you all the hints and tips and how to do things across all those services we spoke about. If you want to do stuff yourself, brilliant. If you want to leave us to do it, we can do it as well. But the knowledge base is important, because there's tons of stuff in there about every single service we build for you. So that is it. Good luck in the future, and hopefully we'll be speaking together very soon on the setup of your cleaning business.